So hey everyone, welcome to this video again. So I have been watching a lot of people trading trendline in a wrong way, and trust me, in this video, after watching it to the end, you will learn how to trade trendline in a correct way. Some people, they do it well, yes, but I see some confirmation you guys you take I don't really understand. And with that being said, let's go to the charts. So first of all, you can see this is a gold chart and this is the 1H time frame. What you're seeing right here, these are just sessions whereby period separator. This is 1 day, which means this one right here represents a day. Like, let me show you something. Like this one right here represents a day. This is another day. This is another day. Amazing. Which means when you see something like that, if you can see, there is this blue line crossing, this blue line crossing right here, this blue line crossing right there. So those blue lines, this is weekly period separator. Meanwhile, from here up to here, let's say, let me use this one, from this point right here to this point right here, that's 1 week. Those are 7 days. I mean, the 1, 2, 3, 5 days of trading. Remember, we don't trade on a Sunday and Saturday. The market for gold doesn't open. So again, here we are having 1 week from this point to this point right here. You understand? So it's better for you to put these sessions, and what you do, you can come into this indicator right up right here. After coming to indicator, you just search here, let's say separators, but use this month stroke weekly breaks right up. It is very nice right up. You see it? Yeah, nice. So from that, another thing, after doing that, you will be getting these period session breaks, which will separate days after days. And another thing, you will be able to know the current price action for the day, which is the most important thing. And you will probably understand, like, you will see that the market opens from here. Now this candle didn't make a high, instead it made a low. Boom, it came and closed here. This must be a doji, something like that. So you can see a bullish there. It opens like open, it makes a low right there, and boom, it goes and make a high and close. Meanwhile, if you check well, the day opened from here. So when the market goes down right here, meanwhile it is making a low. Once the market returns and go above this level, it becomes a week. This right here. Now if I go on a daily, you'll find this is a week from here. This is a week, this is the body, and another week it is around, let me show you something, another week it is around there, because that is where the market closed, which means the market opened, made a low, then it went, made a high, and closed right there. Let's go to the daily and confirm that. Boom, you will see this is a wonder market price action. I think there is a glitch around there, but that is the week right here. You can see this is a high, this is a week, and a close right there where I have put the lines exactly. So all right, let's go and I will show you how does that help in order to improve your trend line. Once you know that is the activity happens in the market, now next is to draw your trend line. How? Let me show you something. All right, before I continue, you yourself, you know that you have been drawing this trend line in a wrong way, maybe in a right way, whatever it is. But a lot of people, they get confused. They be like, should I mark out the body? Should I mark out the weeks? Let me tell you this, you will never be perfect on these charts. All you gotta do, just do what fits your trading strategy. So personally, I'm gonna show you how I do it. Let's go to the chart again. All right. So right here, if you can check right here, we are having the most touch we are having this point right here, and we are having this point right here. These are swings. I call them swings, and we are looking at swings. Like swing high, swing lows. You see? Now these are swing highs right there. You see? Boom. So these are the high points which means we are going to focus on these high points and leave these markets, consolidation and whatever, or when the market is trying to expand. You understand? So we're having the swing lows right there. Let me show you. Swing lows. Boom. There's swing lows around there. Boom. You see? So let's get our trend line right there. We are going to pop up right there. You see? So you can see that this point right here, it didn't touch the trend line. Me personally, I mark mostly the body with the weights. It will depend. So you can see if I bring it right here, it will come. It won't be perfect. You see? We have this touch, and this one is not perfect. That's when you bring your touch around there. You see that? So this is a perfect touch right there. Then if you want to something which is very nice, you don't draw another one like this. Boom. Let's say you're drawing another one like this. No, just copy and paste. Command, control, and paste. That same thing. So you'll find that you're getting something like this. So if you find that you're getting some thing like that, we're having another swing low right there. You can see that it's not matching. It doesn't mean you should leave it there. You see, it's not matching. So what you should do, you look those high quality points, and in this scenario, we are having these high quality points like these ones right here. Let me show you. Boom. Something like that. Let me show you. Boom. You can see here I managed to mark the body with the wicks. I managed to work I managed to mark out the body with the wicks right there. You see? So I want you to show these guys so that they can understand. This is how you mark it right now. You see? Very perfect. That is a perfect trend line. And you can see we are having this touch. Let me shift this one to this point. We're having this swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low, swing high, swing low. And there's a break right there. You see? There's a break here, which means we are having another high right there, which is the new high. You understand? So this is how you mark your trend line very correctly before you adding before you add any support and resistance and whatever it is. And you can see how this trend line was very respected right here. So a lot of people, you like entering, let's say when the trend line has been broken right here, and you enter your buy position right there. Boom, you put your stop loss around there, and you be targeting, let's say, the origin of the trend, which is right here. So again, if you can see that is not something which is bad, because you're looking for the buy at the right time. You understand? You have marked your zone very correctly. Everything is so correct, but you're doing it at the wrong time. And the reason why I'm saying so, let me tell you something. Now the reason why this loss right here happened right now, someone didn't wait for confirmation. You understand? You can see normally the market does this. Let's say when it goes and breaks the the trend line, comes back, bounce here, creates this bullish candle around there, and boom, manipulates you. And guess what? If you realize it well, you will find that even when you draw a support right there, you will get that. You will understand like you will understand that this is a head and shoulder, something that is a price action pattern, most trusted price action pattern. This is an inverted head and shoulder, something like it is one of the strongest pattern with price action mostly. So you can see you followed everything, the trend line, you have waited for your trade and everything, and boom, you hit a stop loss. Why? You didn't get anything that shows that the buyers are coming in the market right here. You understand? So mostly at that point what you do, you go on a lower time frame. It could be 30 minutes. So even if you go on 30 minutes, you'll find that there is nothing that shows that this market, it should go up. Why? We should get something like a doji, a candle like this that shows that, you know what, buyers right now, they are already in the market ticket. But guess what? Nothing happened. We are seeing this internal bullish being created right there, plus, you know, a series of bullish candles. And guess what? If you be patient, you can see the market came back right here. And when it came back, you can see this is inside candlestick. This is bearish engulfing. There is nothing that shows the market should go up. And guess what? Here is the point. And finally, you can see here we are having a very strong candles. You know, the market was going down, boom, 1, 2, 3 candle, which is a bearish one, and one candlestick. You can see cover this one plus halfway of another candle. This is another move that can show you that the market is going to buy. And meanwhile, a wise person, he can put here his position right there, taking the whole of this. You understand? Imagine taking the whole of this. Actually, if I'm gonna speak to you, I didn't take this trade simply because there was news. But if there was no news, actually I would have made some big money. But at the same time, we are up for the week and a very huge profits, you understand? So that is it. So you will realize here, even if you draw your, even if you go on 1H, which say you're taking your entries from a big higher time frame, you'll find that even here there is no any kind of confirmation here that shows the market should go up. Instead came, boom, manipulated and created our candles right there, and boom, we went in on, let's say, for a buy right there, putting our stop loss right there and taking the whole of this. You understand? Actually, we are heading to that zone right there. You understand? So this is one way you can trade trend line. If you would like to see more videos like this, subscribe down and drop the comment. I will see you in another video. Don't forget, I'm having a free community where I trade with you guys. Click the link which is in the description in order to make it inside. And see you.